Hello guys, so welcome to Elite Academy. Today we are going to talk about limit of a function. Another limit of a function, we have 5 topics that goes under this limit of a function. Okay, before we go deeply into it, there's something I want to let you know. For those who are new to limit, is that f of x when is equals to 1. How to understand this question? Okay, let's say this f was y and let's say this x was 2 and is equals to 1. It's like saying y is equals to 1 and x is equals to 2. Do you understand? So based on that, I think you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. So now let's go deeply into the topics that goes under limit of a function. Number 1, we have the substitution method. Okay. Number 2, we have the H method. Number 3, we have the limit at infinity. Number 4, we have the L'Hospital method. Okay, L'Hospital rule. Number 5, which is the last one, we have the series at expansion. So we are going to go deeply into all these topics, but let's take everything one at a time. Okay, so we are going to start with the substitution method. So we are asked to evaluate, okay, f of x when it tends to 2x squared minus 2x plus 2. When limit x approaches 2, what do? Solution. Okay, first thing first, the f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 2x plus 2. So f of what? X is what? 2 is equals to, so wherever you see x, you put what? You put 2. So 2 into what? 2 square minus 2 into what? 2 plus 2. 2 times 2 square, that is 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, minus 2 times 2 is what? 4 plus 2. 2 times 4 is what? 8 minus 4 plus 2. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is what? 6. So therefore, f of x is equals to 2x squared minus 2x plus 2 when limit x approaches 2 is equals to what? 6. This is the final answer. Do you understand how simple it is? So now let's go to, this is question number 1. So let's go to question number 2. Question number 2, when f of x tends to be x squared minus 1 over x minus 1, when limit x approaches 1, how do you do this? Okay, solution. Let's try using direct substitutional method to see if it can go. So wherever you see x, you put 1. So the f of x, x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 when x approaches 1. So 1 squared minus 1. So wherever you see x, you put 1. 1 minus 1. So 1 squared minus 1 is the same thing as say 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is called an indeterminate function or indeterminate function or undefined function. Indeterminate function or undefined function. It also has a symbol like this. Do you understand? but it's not correct. Because you are not able, if you get a question and you're able to get an undefined function, it is not correct. Because why is it not undefined? Is it undefined? It's because that if the denominator must not be over 0. If it was 1 over 0, is sensible, is equals to 0. We can understand. But if it is 0 over 1, that is an undefined method. Okay? So when it comes like this and it's an undefined method, what do? You use another step because you have to think mathematically. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So based on that, you don't use that step. You don't use the direct substitution. But what can you see in the numerator? You can see the x squared minus 1 has two things in common. X minus 1 and x squared. So x squared minus 1 is same as saying x squared minus 1 squared. Why? Because you are using the difference of 2 squared. Okay, when two item is being given, a squared minus b squared, using the binomials method, is same as saying first term a minus a plus b into first term a minus b. So if we are using this principle attached to this one, x squared minus 1, which is this numerator, is same as saying x first term plus 1 into x first term minus 1. So when you're able to get this, therefore, you can say that the f of x squared minus 1 over x squared minus 1 is same as saying x plus 1 into x minus 1 over what? X minus 1. So now, what can you see that is similar in this thing? Is that the numerator and the denominator are similar. So when they are both similar, you do what? You cancel them. So what is left? So it's f of x is equals to what? X plus 1. Okay? So when it's like this, don't forget, they say limit when x approaches what? 1. So wherever you see x, you put what? 1. So f of x is equals to x plus 1. Therefore, you can say f of 1 is equals to what? 1 plus 1. So it's equals to 2. So therefore, f of x, this is the final answer, okay? So therefore, you can say that f of x is equals to x squared minus 1 over x squared minus 1 is equals to 2. So this is the final answer. You can do it like this. You can do it like this. Okay? Thank you.